The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Fiat 500 are constant and impossible to ignore. This video will show you how to permanently silence these intrusive beeps using BeepAway. We'll use a 2025 Fiat 500 as our example, but the process is similar for any supported car. BeepAway generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Fiat. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. BeepAway supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the 500. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Fiat 500 is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password. Then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Fiat 500. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so BeepAway can tailor the config file. On a Fiat, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side windscreen or door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. BeepAway is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Fiat 500 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Fiat 500 2025 ASIA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Fiat 500 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Your 2025 Fiat 500 comes with intelligent speed assist that issues a warning beep every time it detects you exceeding the speed limit. This system rearms with every drive and often misreads signs, leading to a near-constant barrage of speed warning beeps. BeepAway provides a permanent solution to silence these beeps without affecting any other car functions. The BeepAway config loads directly from your USB stick. It does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply remove the USB stick at any time, and your vehicle's factory warning sounds will instantly return. While we're demonstrating with a Fiat 500, the BeepAway steps are exactly the same for any supported vehicle. Owners of many different car brands face the same frustrating ISA speed warning beep issue. If you drive a 2025 Fiat 500, you're not alone. Many owners describe the relentless ISA warning beeps. Discussions mention constant beeps for even slight overspeeds, settings that reset after every ignition, and no lasting way to mute them. This is why so many are looking for a real fix, and we'll address some common questions next. BeepAway operates by loading a reversible configuration from the USB stick only while it's connected. Nothing is permanently rewritten to your car's system. Remove the stick, and your vehicle reverts to its original state. If warranty terms are a concern for your lease or country, we recommend reviewing your specific agreements. Yes, 2025 Fiat 500 owners can follow the exact beep-away process you've just seen. To confirm compatibility for your specific vehicle, simply enter your VIN on beepaway.com before ordering. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes to set this up at home. There's no need for a dealer visit, specialized coding tools, or any specific cables. You can select your car, enter its VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from beepaway. Search online for beepaway or go straight to beepaway.com to get started. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.